Kadena's a low cap. It's a high risk play and it needs to be treated accordingly. But there's something on this chart that's showing me there's a big move coming to the upside. Here's how I'm protecting myself and here's what I'm doing. And Kadena is currently trading at $1.13. In this video, we're going to talk about bottoming patterns. How can we identify a bottoming pattern and what is the psychology behind bottoming patterns? We're going to go over that very shortly. But first and foremost, what do we need to happen in the short term? We need to add our trend line on there. We're waiting for a trend break. We've got our stochastic that we were patiently waiting to pull back. The stochastics pulled back and crossed over, so we're waiting for that break and a big move to the upside. So what we can do is we can just draw our trend in. Remember, the most touches, the better the trend. And you can see we've had a fair few touches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. Why does the trend not go here? Why does the trend not go like this? Because that's only one touch there before we've hit current price action. We need to hit the most touches. The most touches of trend, the more likely the trend is to hold. So this is the trend that we're waiting for. Once we've got the break of this trend and we've got the stochastic crossing up, which we've got, we can start looking for moves to the upside. And where do we look for moves to the upside? Because we've got one strong level that we need to overcome. And this is what I want to talk to you about, the bottoming patterns. You see this, we're trading in a downtrend. We're making a series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And something happens. What happens here? We have hit a new bottom. We've put in a new lower low. The trend's intact. And then we come back up. We haven't only tested this previous high, the neckline of this. We've actually smashed straight through, creating a new local high, a new higher high, and then pull back. And what's this? Higher low. The trend is starting to reverse. So you've got a left inverse shoulder. You've got a head. And then you've got a right inverse shoulder forming. Once that's broken to the upside, you're looking for higher levels. Higher levels I've got marked out here on Kadena, sitting between $2.33 to the bottom side, $2.44 to the upside. Once that level is broken, next resistance, sitting between $3.29 and $3.47. So we've got the bottoming pattern in. And what this allows for, it allows us to know when we're wrong. And how is that a huge advantage for us all? Knowing when we're wrong knows how much money we're willing to lose. If we know how much money we're willing to lose, we can record that data over a long period of time. If we are in profit, then we're consistently profitable, and that's what we're all striving to do, consistent profitability. So that's what I'm looking for in the short term. We're waiting for the break, and this is the line that we're protecting ourselves. We pull that down a bit to this previous low here. If price action closes below 93 cents, then we're likely to come back down and retest the head. So that's where we can protect ourselves. That level there, it's an important level, 93. Why do I say that Kadena is a high risk play? Because when you look at the circulative supply of Kadena, and it's all about supply, it's all about demand, it's all about who wants something, at what price, and what's fair value. If you flood the market with something, the demand goes down, the price goes down with it. Now, Kadena, as far as the circulative supply is concerned, only a quarter of the tokens have currently been unlocked. That means that 3/4 of the tokens are still yet to be unlocked. So while this is a good trading, this is good for trading, it is important that you do protect yourself because we don't know when these unlocks are going to occur. And if they flood the market at any time soon with Kadena tokens, that's just going to bring the price down. So be careful of that. So that's my protection level. 93 cents. If we break, I'm expecting price to go all the way to $2.33. And if you did find this content useful, welcome to the family. Subscribe to the channel, share the love, share it with your friends. Follow me on Twitter and follow me on Telegram. I'll leave the link in the description below. Goodbye from me.